Welcome to Jitendra Decodes. Today we are going to see question how to use VLOOKUP and index match. That's a great question. It's one I have had addressed many times in my career. VLOOKUP and index match are two of the most common lookup techniques in Excel, and understanding when to use each is a critical for building robust, scalable spreadsheets. In my experience, I have seen and chosen the right functions, and that makes a big difference in financial modeling, dashboards, and operational reporting. VLOOKUP, it is a build on Excel function that searches a value in the first column of a table and returns the value from a specified column in the same row. Wherein index match is combination of two functions, index which returns the values of a cell at a given row and a column, while match finds the position of value in a range, and together index match replicates the VLOOKUP's functionality, but it's more flexible. The VLOOKUP has a syntax as a VLOOKUP lookup value, give the table array, then the column number and a true or false. Let's say example of VLOOKUP 101 in the range of A2 to D100, and we need to search in a third column, and we will pass the fourth parameter as false. This will look up the employee ID 101 in column A and returns the value from the third column in the table. While for the index match, the syntax is index. First we will give the table array, then the match. The first parameter will be in the match as which value we want to match, the second table array, and the third 0 or 1, and we need to close the bracket. Here match finds the row where employee ID 101 exists or not. If it exists, the index returns the corresponding value from the column C. There are variations in both the formulas. VLOOKUP can exact be searched or approximately searched, and for that we use filters false and true. In index match, it can work both vertically and horizontally and can be nested for two-way lookups. Let's see a use case, an application wherein I have used VLOOKUP and index match. In finance, VLOOKUP is used for quick lookups in small tables like mapping account codes to description. In healthcare, index match is preferred when working with large datasets because it's allow lookups to the left and less prone to breaking when columns are inserted or deleted. In IT reporting, index match is more efficient for dynamic dashboards where flexibility is the key. Let's see now common challenges and pitfalls while using it. So common mistake that includes VLOOKUP with approximate match unintentionally, which can return the incorrect results. Hardcoding column numbers in VLOOKUP, which breaks when the table structure is changed. Or forgotten the VLOOKUP only searches to the leftmost column, while index match can search anywhere. To avoid this, I recommend using index match for critical models and always locking ranges with absolute references. So in short, VLOOKUP is a simple and quick for straightforward lookups, but index match is more powerful, flexible, and reliable for professional grade models. Knowing when to use each ensures the spreadsheet remains accurate and maintainable over the time. Hope this helps. Thank you.